If you like to use beautiful and practical animations in the PowerPoint environment in your teaching and training, follow our channel. We try to help professors and teachers in our PowerPoint training channel. Communicate with your students interactively with the help of PowerPoint software. I'm going to design with the tools in PowerPoint. Undoubtedly, scientific designs require great care. In this short clip, I am going to design a pressure gauge. Use the guidelines to accurately draw the pressure gauge and place your idea in the center of the slide. The dimensions of my figure are completely approximate and you can design your pressure gauge in any desired size, but the point that you should be careful about is that the sizes should be proportional and accurately placed in the right place. We rotate the rectangles by a factor of 12 degrees. And we place them in the center of the slide. OK, now select all the shapes together to make them a unified shape. Now I draw a smaller circle and plan to draw my pressure gauge graduation on it. I use a rectangle for grading. Because the degrees must have the same distances and sizes, pay attention to placing these rectangles in the center and middle of the slide. Meanwhile, you have to grade the circle into equal angles. Now I want to complete the grading with rectangles. It is enough to make a copy of the first rectangle and rotate it with an angle factor of 22.5 degrees and place it in the center of the slide. The graduation will be created accurately and beautifully on the pressure gauge. We show the amount of pressure with different colors in another circle. I divide the circle into 4 equal parts. And I change the first part with green color, the second part with yellow color, and the third and fourth part with red color. Now I make a nice cut in the pressure gauge with a triangle. I draw a circle with the radius of the first circle, which is 2.5, and with the help of the triangle that I made the cut, I create a new cut for the base of my pressure gauge. I put the number of grading numbers in front of each grade. You can see that our design is completely scientifically accurate. Pressure is measured in different units, one of which is the unit of bar. Pay attention to a very important point for the design of the pressure gauge hand. We use a triangle to design the hand, and you must be careful to take a copy of the triangle to rotate it in a fixed point and rotate it by 180 degrees, and similar to the first triangle, place below the first triangle and then rotate the color of the copy triangle so that it is not visible, and then group the two triangles together and place it in the center of the slide. Now we complete ourselves with two pressure gauge rectangles. Select the whole shape and move it to the bottom of the slide. We need several objects to create the force of weight, and its design is completely tasteful, and you can design it in any way. I tried to design them similar and identical. Now we are preparing to produce the pressure gauge animation. I prepare the pressure relationship according to the laws of physics. And I consider the letters related to the relationship separately, so that I can create my own desired animation. I am going to make a smart animation with the help of morph effects so that the audience will understand my teaching when I explain the pressure relationship of solid body. The movement of the hand is very important and it should rotate according to the amount of pressure change. Therefore, if you change a specific size of the mass of the object, first calculate its size with the help of the relationship, then rotate the hand according to the calculated size. In this clip, we have another purpose, and that is PowerPoint training. So the angle is quite approximate. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the end.